Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today in this video we will discuss about the Camera Ultra software. In Camera Ultra software today we will discuss about how can we get the chemical properties, chemical analysis of any chemical compound. If you have a structure, if you have a name of any chemical compound, you have to draw the structure. You can draw it manually or with its name. So it's up to you. I will draw their chemical structure with its name. For that purpose I have to move structure. After that I have to select the convert name to structure. Here I will generate the structure of maltose. I will generate the structure of the maltose by writing the name. Click on OK. When you press on OK, so it is you get the structure of the maltose. It is the structure of maltose. So how you can get the chemical properties and chemical analysis of the maltose? About maltose, to get the chemical analysis of maltose you have to select the structure of the maltose. After that you have to move towards the view. After viewing you have to click on show analysis window. In analysis window you can see the molecular formula of of your given chemical structure, exact mass, their molecular mass and its elemental analysis. In elemental analysis tells you about if you have a structure of maltose. In structure of maltose you have three elements. These elements are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen as well. In elemental analysis you can get the information how much percentage of each element you have in this structure. As you know, in maltose you have 42%, 42.11% carbon and 6.48% hydrogen and 51.42% you have oxygen. After that you have to get the chemical analysis. You can also get the chemical properties of this window. In chemical properties, what you get in chemical properties, you will know about the boiling point of the maltose, melting point, their critical temperature, critical pressure, critical volumes, gift free energy and many other respective parameters. So it's a very useful tool and it's quite easy to use this tool. If you have any chemical compound and you know the chemical analysis of this structure, you have to just draw the structure of your given compound in the Camera software. After drawing the chemical structure you will get all chemical properties and chemical analysis of this window. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share to others. If you have any question regarding this video, you can freely ask me in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. So if you have any chemical compound, so you can draw here and get the any related chemical information about this chemical analysis as well as their chemical properties. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.